We've asked Dr. Lydia Tong, a veterinary pathologist and forensics researcher, to look into skin thickness and pain sensation in horses versus humans. Despite extensive literature research, Lydia was surprised to learn this had never been done before. As far as we're aware, what you're about to see is new to science.
Well, we've looked closely at human skin and horse skin from the same area on the flank.
What we're looking at here is the fibrous collagen layer of the skin and the thin outermost epidermis.
The really interesting part is that right up in the epidermis, which is the top layer, and that's where the pain-sensing C fibres are, in the human specimen, that's thicker than the horses. So by the old argument of horses' skin is thicker and they feel it less, actually, you could argue human skin's thicker.
Right. Oh, that's a surprise.
It is. It was unexpected, actually.
As you can see, the pain-sensing fibres stretch right up into the very surface of the skin. And to her and my astonishment, the density of nerve fibres, stained red, is higher in the horse. It looks like they may have more pain-sensing nerve endings in the flank than we do.
Wow, that's fascinating. And no one's looked at this before?
No.
Even with a thin added layer of hair, the horse's acute skin sensitivity is on display all the time. One difference from humans, though, is that animals who evolved as prey are more likely to hide their pain.
If a prey animal shows its pain very overtly, they're more likely to then be noticed and picked off by a predator. So actually, often prey animals, they kind of shut up and push up. That's recognised.
So, given all this, there's no reason to think that something that would hurt a human wouldn't hurt a horse?
I think we should assume that it's likely to be painful.